How to deposit money on interactive brokers. Now, if you're going to be doing the method via the mobile app on your phone, the process is still the same if you're using the web version. Just simply open up or access or log in into your interactive brokers account and then just navigate through the deposit options. Once you're there, you should be able to select your deposit method, such as direct ACH transfer, bank wire, or online bill pay, or you could also try to link a new bank account. Now, once you've successfully choose or selected your payment method, you'll just have to input your deposit details, such as the amount, um, the currency for the deposit, and so on and so forth. After that, just simply initiate the transfer and then just simply go to confirm the deposit. And that's it. It's very easy. That's how you deposit money on interactive brokers.